3.3 calculator work notes. So let's take a look at level 2, determine where a function is increasing and decreasing, find the roots or the maximums and minimums. So number 1, we're going to be given this function f of x equals 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5x, and we're going to find all solutions to the equation f of x equals 0. Well, this is the same as saying y equals 0, so we're going to be looking for what we call our roots or solutions to the system, or to the equation, excuse me. So you're going to go and watch the video here. To begin this problem, we're going to go and type in our y equals. We get 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5x, and then we're going to go and graph it. Now I have mine in the standard window, so if we go and take a look at our window settings, negative 10 to 10, and negative 10 to 10 on the y. And so that works for this graph, but sometimes we may have to change that. So in the first part of this problem, it's asking us to take a look at the zeros. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go second, calculate 0. And now I'm going to go left bound of this point right here, enter. Right bound is up above that point, enter, and our guess is as close to the point as possible. And we see that x, that 0, 0 is in point of intersection. Then we're going to go and take a look again at the next point. So now we're going to be up above this point to the left and down below to the right, and we're going to guess as close to that point as possible and press enter. So here we have another 0 at 1, 0. And then we can go and calculate again. This time down below is left of this point. Enter, up above, right, enter, and then our guess is as close to that point as possible and press enter. And this one we get is 2.5, 0, which is also 5 over 2. Now the next part, we're going to go and take a look at the local maximums and minimums. Now based on our graph, we saw that we're going to have one maximum and one minimum. So now taking a look at our graph again, we're going to calculate both the max and the min here. So we're going to press second, calculate. First we're going to do the maximum. And we're going to go to the left of the hill, press enter, to the right of the hill. Anywhere on the right, and press enter, and then up to the highest most point on the hill, and we get 0.440, 1.01, or 02, excuse me. And then we're going to go and calculate the minimum. And here we have left bound, enter, right bound, enter, and guess at the very bottom, and we press enter. And here's our other minimum, 1.893, negative 2.052. Okay, in this last part here, we're going to take a look and determine the intervals where the y value is less than 0. So if we take a look, we know the points of intersection based on the zeros. So this point here is 0, 0. And then we have here 2.5, 0. And we know that this other point, oh, this is hard to see on the graph, but hopefully we know those 3 zeros. So the intervals where f of x, or our y value, is less than 0 are from negative infinity to 0. Then again from 1 to 2.5. And this is how we go about solving all the level 2 problems.